they don't land there. We want comfort them. You know, with our open hands. You get me? We get a Ilebaye, right? Ilebaye. And the gentleman, is Khalid. Welcome. We be friendly people here. We not like foreign.
But you just say they pursue us now.
No,
I don't be friendly.
Well, just say sincere polite with us.
But no polite now. Just say they pursue us come out.
But they actually pursue.
They don't pursue now.
Okay, pursue.
I'm not gonna go
Okay, that's straight to the point. I will not feel being the second set to come out from the Big Brother house. How that feeling? You expect to come out so soon?
On God, I don't go even like, because even that this I mean the Yankee say I get strong feelings say I go stay, you know, based on all the things we they solve. They don't need commodity value people from level 2 now. Say aside come on, that thing pay me, I don't go lie, it didn't really enter me.
Okay.
Beauty with the brains, that big.
Yeah, I know that one shock.
That one, you know, that one really enter. You know,
okay.
You know, so see me now, I don't even come out. Now the only people they get for there, they get Daniela, they get Brian is really intelligent, you know. I don't say that one ain't go really.
What can happen? Where you say error for happen? Why make you quick come out?
Okay, first things first, if you say I've been there against strong people, you know, for that nomination. Secondly, my
relationship when they put you up with.
Exactly. Secondly, my relationship with Daniela. But I don't see confusion go definitely be, you know.
In regards to that relationship.
So, some certain kind.
We will reach that relationship. Now focus on discussion.
Yeah.
We need to discuss that. The only bad night, dear sister, you expect to come out so soon?
I didn't expect to leave this early because I felt like, you know, I'm a Gen Z and like the team is like level up, vibes on vibes. So I felt like myself is just a vibe like on its own. So like I thought I was just being myself and like the audience or the viewers like were loving me. So like, but like before I even left, I had a dream. So and like that week was like so awkward, like the mug falling off, like my emotions. I was like, yeah, but something is wrong. And
so you know, most of when I hear say Big Brother housemate when they Evicted, they go say, oh, I think I'm just being myself. Now I come out. When I suppose all learn for the past season, say being yourself most time, they make you come out by waiting at the race of after the evolution you get. So why you not gonna go with strategy? So that means you remain there too.
Okay, before I enter the BB show, like I know the two watch just like the pattern eviction. So I don't really know
the strategy to go with.
Yeah, so I just be like, okay, if I go with a strategy, you get like I will just be faking it. There are some parts I will just get tired. I won't get used to the thing I came from. That is not me. So I was like, okay, let me just be free. Let people just know me or hate me for who I am, and not hate me for the wrong person or love me for the wrong person. So now why I just go without any strategy or anything, so I just go clean.
Okay, so when we come to the issues which we say for the house, because for a lot of people they looking from outside, they see Ilebaye as instigator. One, and number two, some people see as troublemaker as well. Yeah, for those who they look from outside. So all the small fights when we say you be get with Amaka, at a point you get with Brian, and at the same time you even still get with Daniella. You see at a point you the people for the house, they don't really understand your kind of person, and at the same time waiting really cause the fight what happened between you, Amaka, Brian, and also Daniela.
Like I like going straight to the point. Like I like telling you a fuck up. Like you can't just come to me. Sorry. So like I just like telling you where you're wrong, and like I'll just give it straight up here, like and if you wrong me, so like I felt like
what Amaka do?
Amaka? Can you just remind me, because I can't remember.
Now you inside the house now.
But like now you say Amaka now, so you guys know what's
so you don't remember what to make you coaching for really?
You know, say I be like no pepper body now for everybody now, so I don't really know what's the show.
He talks say something about cruise. Then he can't talk say maybe you go do the cruise with your dad. So from there you can't say don't ever mention my father, ever mention my father. Then the one for Daniela, you have to say na socks or something, and it cause the fight between you and Daniela where uncle can't put mouth. No mind that. I don't like my but judge the thing reasonable, no support.
Not reasonable.
My guy no dey reasonable. My guy they can't tell me what they do. I don't like her. Be a man. You know I be I get 4. Tell me my 4. No just make only me get the 4. I blame her. Even me tell no love is blind, but at least when my uncle be like, bro, you fuck up.
Men of your time say they like trouble because only like me they oppress them. I think like make can do.
Yeah, Naime.
But you and them did good, and I believe say outside the house now city remember.
Yeah, I'm good with Brian and Amaka. Like we were vibing before I left. Okay. But like Daniella, I don't really know her, so I felt like she's not the person. Like she's not. Yeah, that's
so
to me.
She come with different
personalities. Yeah, that's to me though. But I don't really, like I said, I don't really know her, so I felt like the person she showed is not who I think she is. So, but you never can tell. Let me not judge her now.
Over to the serious boyfriend. She does not want to judge her now. So, you agree with it, and if you say Daniella will be your serious babe, you know, not be herself inside the house.
No, I agree.
Oh, I don't actually, I don't go agree.
Okay.
Yes. Daniella, she became person wey be say, but on a normal day, she dey shy, but she know they allow that one stop her. She actually did very fun. You know, and she did very playful. And at the kind of person, because you cannot keep that energy for too long. You can't keep fake energy for too long. And Daniella on end, she go dey talk. She relates. You know, she rather me she play with you than me una fight.
Okay.
And the kind of person where she don't let me person the give her see finish. She understands. So kind of times I do actually understand. Now I actually understand her fights with Elebai because it can't be like say, okay, you want to see me finish. So
Elebai want to see your finish.
Because I'll be actually on the car. I've been go tell her after I go meet and say so I know Daniella she not be the kind of person we likes to finish. So as you they do this kind of thing, definitely go versa. So by rights, you know feel they do that kind of thing. But even herself, she for no overreact like that. So I'll be actually clear both of them for but I know say Elebai she get people but she want hear say your definitely I know
not the quarrel with wife outside. So before we move back to Elebai right now, Khalid, especially this season, all of us know say yes, those who actually be involved for relationship in past season, people they always ship them, we they make them, they stay longer because they want me that ship of relationship still remain inside the house. And I think somehow, maybe you get otherwise answer to them. I think most of them when enter this season, all of them go with that strategy as I just enter, I must find somebody attached body to, or now just now so now be normally. To the look for boyfriend and girlfriend.
All of us just the talk, see we dey chronically single. See the only person will be actually the relationship now case. So
that the married man.
So that one they be no even get middle ground. Now either you dey single or you dey married. So no situation. So everybody will enter with that focus say, oh more this one nothing. But as I do talk that house, you dey include space with people for a very long time. People don't understand and you feel the judge from outside say
you see they contribute to that. The body you look for you want rub friction with.
If you want wear skirts, if you hug out. We actually mad, you know. You see they talk say na fans they play football pass. Yeah. When you enter pitch, now
you understand
exactly, and now you go understand say.
Okay, so I don't go lie give you. I be very straightforward person, and I understand when. Okay, I understand the concept of lie because lie they grow from pretense, and I understand so many people they lie because they don't know how the society will take the truth you get. So on several occasions, we don't see so many things inside the house when we say, why should I come boss out? My God, they want to try to change our method, make us look like say, we don't know what we see or what we they talk. Now, why I tell you, I understand the concept of life because if you really talk the truth, the society is not going to take as it be, you get. But inside the house, you and Daniella relationship was so, I don't want to use the word, okay, maybe I should use the word, it won't look like say it did very rare. You get me? There was a lot of emotion between two of now. When you to one thing and the other, not be once, not be two, I think twice on occasion. Then the second one was very serious. It was nobody ride Okada, you get sports car, you get no sport Okada, all those power bike you get. Only for me to see yesterday say you the trend everywhere say you go borrow words or from Katrina and Prince when they will later come touch you say see what you really happen aggressive case in that they do. Well clearly say for that design of down that they do it was who go. And even before that there is a statement which I think you could all you regret now say oh how do you feel to be a woman?
How do you feel to be a woman?
When it attributed to you, you and Daniella, they get the conversation. After one night, on a day, you get. So we come add 1 and 2 together. As I say, this girl be like say, now you buzz the bubble.
Me on a normal day, if you hear my conversation for, I actually know, I don't actually give a. And I don't give a about how you how you see what I'm telling you, you know, because I know you fear your papa. I know you fear. So if I tell you something, I know I tell you directly.
I know that hypocrisy that makes so many people they want their judgmental.
Exactly. Because everybody want talk. Everybody want talk. Yeah. If you open, everybody do it. They do exactly. Exactly. But at the end of the day, I will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. If you want to take a menu, that one contact, that one concern you. Nothing be up.
Nothing be. That's your truth.
That's nothing be.
I don't forget your truth. That's from our truth and
exactly. And like I said, you can have a different perspective on anything where you don't see. You know, you dey see them, you dey feel them. I know be human beings. I know if you feel the way you want to feel about some kind of things, you know, some kind of things feel look one way until like cheesy say ask why. Always ask why. You get reason why, you know. But anybody we want push their narrative, go push their narrative. And if they look for excuse, you go definitely find them. If you look for reason, say okay now, which I want believe, and if you say if you believe otherwise, you know. You put me and say okay now, you dey drag this innocent girl, this amazing person, because
but nobody drag her. You know why? Not be even new thing, not be the first set of people. We don't see people when you do inside there, they come outside, become couple, husband and wife. I don't make measure of names. One of them who don't marry said they don't send and go UK, you don't get passports, you get me. So I'm getting a big deal. Now just say sometimes if you come outside with your future, say shall be nothing go do bad.
That person way if I mess up,
you go.
I will tell you say I don't, even if I don't mess up, if I say if you get something,
even when the society will judge you.
Exactly. Even if you get something we're supposed to do, I will tell you say see my fault for inside. You know, if you did wrong, I will come console you, but I will sit there and say, guy, you mess up.
Okay.
So you understand?
Okay.
So like,
but you and Daniella arrangement go define her as real or not just part of strategy?
I will tell you say they real.
For real?
Yeah.
So outside the house you believe so now go continue?
Because entering the house, I've been actually no get any plans to be relationship. The way it me just up. Even so, if you ask her, the first time she see me, she don't like me. The first time I see her, I be no like her. I hope this my last we house meet now, love and let's finish. You know, after some kind of conversation, you see some kind of things they solve. So as a day like that, you know, feel they run from my emotions now. We talk about that.
So we wait for her.
Yeah, we actually talk about, we set boundaries. Okay, this is what I like, this is what I don't like. You know, the conversation where you supposed to have, you know, for relationship. Okay. These are the things where you feel they see you. If you don't like her, you tell me. You know, but you guys change for person if you really like that person. Like the fact with that.
One person will show interest. What beside know for inside your matana dotun and
guy.
Yeah. So and at that time you be they tell him say if you won't really show how serious it be. Make sure your seriousness as you want you reach.
Yeah.
So when they tell you say the only way to say if you show is serious so now to give you a pocket naira.
And it's a sacrifice.
Exactly. So for somebody like you when we say you get pepper body now, waiting you for like make Dotun do at that time to really show in seriousness apart from the pocket naira where you mentioned.
Show me say you care, because if you tell me I like you, I love you, you will sit with that same girl like I just really want you to like express it, like let me just feel it inside that you like my dad's like a house. I know what's happening in level 2. Like you might be doing stuff with someone and you come and tell me I like you, just want to play me. So I felt like okay, if you really liked me, there's like there is obviously you tell Biggie I like this babe.
So you want to come over there?
No, I big her like come now. Like I want to do something that is going to make her whoa. This guy actually wants me. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I was expecting, because you can just tell Biggie, I want to plan something for her, a dinner, or I want to get her something. Or pocket naira. Or he has pocket, like you said. I didn't even know when he said pocket naira.
To arrange for dinner. Dinner they cost for people house.
But if you ask Biggie, like I'm sure Biggie will like think about it. Like you know something like that. Biggie might not say no. You get. So I wanted him to like surprise me, like woo me. Even in the house, you can do something that people will be so shocked and surprised that wow, you really want this girl, like. So that's what I really wanted.
The matter we concern groovy Fina, Chichi, because you get the party where we say they do, where we say you go use yourself, drag Chichi come off for road, so that Fina go fit come dance with you. And at the end of the day, Groovy later tell you say, not be even this Fina you really like, say now even Chichi in like. So for you now, since you don't stay with Groovy for the house, you know the relationship where we say we get with Beauty before they disqualify him. You know the one way there with Fina now. If there's somebody describe Groovy in 3 words, what's in those 3 words where you could take use divide?
Confused. Confused.
The young man a confused person.
Confused.
Now why they jump from one woman to another?
He doesn't know what he wants, but it's not Chichi. He doesn't like Chichi.
Chumsy, not Chichi.
He don't like what they see.
Yes, even that Chumsy, I'm not even sure he truly likes her, because some point he told me say he like him. So later on, after he kiss Fina, he like Fina. So that one I just he like you don't know what's in, just what I do for the house, make I just catch cruise.
So confused on one word and second one.
Confused again.
Third word again.
Confused.
But you're not picking a strategy just to get people talking.
I don't think so that one our strategy. I think so Goofy gets his own strategy, but I don't want to say I'm by notice.
But how come if you know this, that means other guests when they meet supposed to know this. So how come they see the form? Because even Fina on the shock us.
Yeah.
When they single, he and his fellow single compatriots, they gossip on relationship together. Only for Maka to let me get this boy. Now I can go laugh for the boy. Now, so somebody go express, okay, as a single person, suppose guys and say, okay, this boy will come on lead person. Why am I going to find myself?
Like Fina can't see what's happening. She just listens to whatever he's telling her. So you go to tell him, so I like you, I show interest in you, and she'll be like, oh, because you know Fina now you don't get her momo, but like you don't know say this babe like me, I know say this one here. So and the lady girl for Fina now, you know this I see if you compliment Fina she will blush. So like I feel say you don't know waiting. So like MC they tell Fina now Fina no go hear waiting go tell me, or waiting they tell the other housemates. So now waiting so
I say you not be really easy girl. So before you reach the house, you get Bobo.
No, I just ended like my relation like
before you enter the house.
Well, no, just before I got
how long you did single before you enter the house?
I never be like anything like serious relationship, so I know.
You really had. So you plan settle down right now with serious relationship. I see one yours.
I don't really know right now. I'm just thinking about my empire. That's like so I want to pursue my dream. So like settling down right now is not part of my dictionary.
So since then you're the vibe, normal.
No, I'm not the vibe, but I just like one person. So the other person I just do.
Alright, Khalid, I want to come back to you. Apart from the favorite moment we say you get with Daniella for the house, which other moment you feel say now your own favorite?
My favorite moment besides when they talk about tech, about NFTs, about shoes and all that. Because now one person wants to feel relate with for the house. Get one time we just need down there they talk about as come on and one kind of fiery laptop, one just start to do our design cameras, start to do our photographs, cinematography and all that. Like my moments with Fina now just really person. Just mad person. I love her energy. I love her energy, the night and I say okay, person they do hype man or they do super like but I've been just stay. I don't talk. I relate to Fina, but I understand. Who she be. I understand who she be. And she carrying with her full chest. No busy. We don't come here to judge. We came here to make things easy. And she now just person who I feel relate to like really really well. Another person, Brian, really get some kind of intelligent conversation. If they talk about some kind of certain things and one kind of joke where people don't understand, go look each other like this. Brian,
not quick catch up.
We always do on the same wavelengths, and then I've been able to get moments with Kes, but I respect that guy so much. I respect that guy so much.
Talking about Kes, sorry to cut you short. Ilebaye, you get one of the parties when you try to kiss Kes.
I don't kiss him.
You all know.
I don't try out.
No. What do you want to move?
Forget say you don't marry.
No, I don't forget Kes. I see him as my brother. No, now even apart from the fact say he married, what did I expect? Not my spec. I think so they talk about something.
What did you expect? Who tell us what did you expect?
Go tell me. It go hard though. If I tell you now,
Jesus Christ.
People where the eyes outside now go now they won't fit in. So I don't want fake. I want them to come join me. So when I see I need to expect. I'm not gonna tell you that.
How long?
Oh.
So before now, don't hear about the fact say Biggie gets some riders for inside the house. And he gets some real house space. So if you won't go back to the house right now, or assuming say you want, let's just say another audition come, and they talk to some set of people could be riders, some could be the real housemates. Waiting you for be, because riders you cannot be evicted. You understand? You have to be in the house till the end. So you have come back as a rider or as a proper housemate.
Rider, because now you know the rider work now to you know they came for a mission and I'm suitable for that mission like anywhere. So and like obviously you know sometimes like you also want the money, but sometimes the fame and like the yourself and everything is like important. But like I feel like if I was, I would have been a rider.
You for ride and well.
The mission I have for small thing I for don't accomplish my mission.
Okay, based on relationship experts when you're inside the house, who you feel say their relationship is genuine inside the house currently right now?
Genuine inside the house. Only me and Daniella I know see we.
So the genuine don't come on the fake or
only me and Daniella be actually genuine. Yeah, and I know they focus on other people's business. So that one concern them. You know, if it's fake, if it's real, that one concern you know. Based on groovy and beauty, based on groovy and you know anything. You know if you talk say this person they feel this person now they know what they actually do them for body. Everybody for us I want your opinion. But like I said now fans they play football pass.
But when you reach that real match, what about you share the same feeling? Nobody did genuine.
Nobody's feelings are genuine. His own, their own, everybody. I feel like they're just I don't know your heart. No, but I feel for him I know he likes Daniella. Okay. Like I know he really likes her so much, but like I don't know about her. But like that's
you began here? Open. You began here? Or you grow?
My English teacher, and I've been there before, and I like the Ghanaian, so I got used to the words and stuff like that.
I like it.
So what next after Big Brother right now?
I want to build my own empire, so I want to settle down know what I really like, so I want like start from there because I still do young, so I want 21.
I mean we'll be 22 next year.
So and I like this my orphanage home because I want build orphanage home for like less privileged because I know like all these people you know when go carry hot water and just stay and our country no save and stuff like that. So I want like you like who I can help like fit in you can hockey you come back to your house even if it's little at least you have somewhere to like lie down. So I want to like pursue that dream then like my modeling stuff then any brand endorsement like I'm open to any stuff like that. So.
Okay, what about you? I know certainly you're gonna look at tech.
For me it's based on NFT, sneaker designs, I be sneakerhead, I love shoes. I really love shoes. So I work with brands for the longest time. I work with brands like Nike, Converse, Vans. No, but from the mouth to God's ears, you know. So I'm interested in murals. I'm an artist, so definitely I want to see my work on top other places. You know, work with brand. I'm a graphic designer, so definitely I want to rebrand, you know, some kind of stuff. You know, so any company really ready, modeling, anybody really ready to work. Honestly, I'm an adaptable person. I learn quick, like it's sharp. So you know, modeling, branding. You know, I do what you call affiliate marketing.
A lot of funds did
before I be enter self, you know, I be the sell cars and all that. I won't even get into real estate. I don't know to what extent, but I just knowledge I never find yet, and definitely I'll go find that.
Who the tough now? Suspect say apart from who not the tough now? The suspect say you don't use the highest cordon inside the house. Who you suspect don't use the highest?
In the house, first I was I suspected Groovy and Blue A because there was something like the housemate was saying because after they said they saw the both of them going to and candles were missing. Yeah, so I suspected them. And there was something Amaka told me about my brother, But I know like nothing happened, but like when I heard the stuff, when Amaka was just seeing me, I was like, I don't want to like in like his private side because he didn't tell me so me coming to the house and seeing the video like brother because I call him brother I was like no nothing so what am I to say okay you did it when you're telling me you didn't I know like you are done, like he respects his privacy, so like nothing, because I know me too. It might be kissing, like now I know when you're kissing a guy, you're just getting nothing will happen, but
you don't do that kind of thing before, but you don't understand.
Please, I'm still a good girl.
So properly, then who you say you use the highest number?
They did the cup. The corner thing, at one point, I'm actually saying a farm song because that guy is very odd, you know. No, but a cool guy. Honestly, I've not seen anybody use that for sex or anything. I just say for young go once I use the blonde like, but the guy into like play, you know. And that's why nobody can actually want to come on that chest. But at one point, I actually think okay, groovy and beauty, you know, because we get some kind of talks and all that. So definitely, but I don't know if you talk about all those kind of. The only time I actually touch those condoms here. Now when we move into level 1. Okay, the condoms okay, they don't bring because they bring new package. No, it's even surprising they won't carry out. So they been bring like food stuff and everything. You can't see a lot of say okay, anyone since you know one talk with so I'm not carry and put out for that flower, where camera anybody who walk ahead go know this.
So before now go now who and who now actually the root for who could be the last woman standing, the last man standing for inside this Big Brother house.
So far, I don't see the outside. So I come outside. Who not suspect?
Okay, based on strong people. Based on strong people, I just see Hermes.
As the last man standing.
Hermes is really strong. I don't think say he go win now. I wish out for my brother because now my G. I wish out for I ain't get that winning spirit, you know. But based on our own talks, I know saying himself, no be the 100 million, but that platform, so he go go for that. I ain't go use them like mad, and I wish me come on, we get work to do. Definitely, we don't even talk about them. You know, Fina. Fina, honestly, I mean, the talk say Fina don't need distract and all that, but at the end of the day, people forget say you can't be brother not just to win, also to also have fun. And I feel say she's smart. She's very Fina did very intelligent. She did very intelligent.
They say Fina,
I'm more Fina did. I mean, sit down for her back one day. She just do calculus. She did give herself work. The council, you know, and she always be active for any presentation. She always shoot body. So definitely
between Fina and Hermes.
Between Fina and Hermes, you know, but me, mostly Fina.
I would just want the people who I care about, like, know to win. Like, the people I care about Fina, like, because we're talking. So I think she's a calm person. Then Dotu, then Chamzi, then Doyin. I felt like she cared about me. She liked me because, hi, hello. I know if it was Jane because I'm not in the other house, based on what I'm saying. So, Brian, because we're also calm. Even like cataracts and stuff like that. So, I'm a kind of vibes. So okay, so I really want those people to let the best of what I mentioned win. So I can't really say because this Big Brother this year, even if this person feel like this person go win, not be the person what will win. So let's just the best what I care about. Multi-choice, DSTV, Go TV, Unlock, other sponsors, Origin. Thank you very much for like giving me this awesome opportunity, adventure. Like I really loved my stay and I really had fun. And to all my supporters,
what's your fans' name? Their name?
No, you don't.
Funny enough, I never really enter my account. I just
the manager.
Yeah, so I'm just on my other side, but I'm not really so. I just want to like thank my family, my loved ones, my friends for like supporting me. Like I really love you guys and my supporters. Thank you very much for believing in me. Thank you very much for loving me. My haters, you know you're gonna hate, but like I still love you guys. I'm still your baby girl. Like just keep loving me, keep hating me, and keep believing in me. So my social, like I'm IG.
Yeah.
Ilebaye Odinia 1.
Okay.
Then Twitter, I think it's Ilebaye Official.
Okay.
Then TikTok, Ilebaye Official 1.
Okay.
Snapchat, Ilebaye with 2 E's. So you all should follow me there and don't forget to follow people I mentioned and continue listening to Naija FM 102.7. Love you guys.
The sponsor stroke, so today mention them one by one. If you end this thing for night. So I want to thank Big Brother, thank DSTV, Go TV. I really put us on, honestly. I couldn't do all this without you guys. I want to thank my fans. To even say I'm grateful is an understatement, honestly, because I don't do work. Even if not just 3, I actually don't do work. I want to thank my lovers, the haters, I'm on a very, very important.
People in this question.
Exactly. See, because now they keep us trending last, you know. I'm not a social media person on a regular day, but more they do now work, you know. That you guys come with my family, definitely, because all of this was for you guys. You know, my little sisters, I love you guys so fucking so much. So the love you. You just come out. You understand? You know, I want to thank all the platforms that have been responsible for all this. I'm on Naija FM, not just too good, bro.
Okay.
I like your earring and everything. Yeah. I want to thank everyone in the house who's still doing what they're doing, because you know easy. Now go come out, can't collect. So I did give now an accolade right now. Your phone now come out. Your Instagram is the real Khalid double underscore for Twitter and Khalid Ahalu. Shout out to my just people. I don't worry, they come.
Okay. You know, shout out to your Kogi people.
My co-guy! I love you that so much. I'm not 6 minutes in my head. I don't know blow me, but my co-guys. I love you guys, guys.
I'm going to sign now out.
Look, I ladies first.
Okay.
Ladies first. Play anything nice.
That's why they United didn't like her.
Because it will make me, you know, I know the vibe.
So you go with anything. I go with anything. Don't pick one.